Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 new gel paints from Madam Glam. These are the chrome paints. You remember in the past they had a silver chrome. I believe that's the only color they have in that chrome. It's a super mirrored, beautiful, gorgeous chrome. And now we've got 3 more shades to add to that. So we have a vintage chrome, a rose chrome, and a gold chrome. So I'm so excited to pop these open and see what they look like. So I got some tweezers here to help me out because usually the foil packaging is a bit difficult to open, but they're sealed up really nicely for shipping purposes. And let's see if I can get this open. If not, I'll do it off camera, maybe with my box cutter, or maybe I'll just cut into it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna open all 3 of these up and I'll be right back. Okay, it wasn't pretty, but I got them all open. So I feel like they might need a little bit of a stir because they seem like they aren't quite pigmented to the correct color, if that makes sense. So I do have a cute little stir stick here. Isn't that thing adorable? Little stir stick. So I'm going to make sure that's nice and clean, and then I'm going to stir it up. So this first one here is the rose gold, and I did grab just the regular silver, the first one they launched, just so we could have a look at it and compare color-wise to the rest of them. So these are really cool because once you mess with them like with a brush on the nail, they kind of stop being as chrome and shiny, but the trick to it is you just need to let it settle. Yeah, it definitely needed stirred. You just need to let it settle a minute before you cure it, and then it goes back to that super mirrored chrome finish that we're all looking for. That's so beautiful. Oh, I'm actually kind of glad I left a little bit of that foil on the side there. That's handy. Should have done that to all of them. All right, so that is the rose chrome. It's not what I would say a rose gold. It's more of like maybe a vintagey rose color. Wipe it off on my paper towel here so you can kind of see the color. It's a pretty color though. Okay, so that's the rose. This one is the vintage chrome. So it's supposed to be kind of like, I don't know, a pewter kind of color. Ooh, that's pretty. So as you can see, like when you stir it up, it's not as mirrored, but as it sits, actually I'll open this one back up so you can see, as it sits, it starts to go back. So there's that one. That was the vintage color. Just vintage chrome is what it's called. And yeah, look, it's kind of a dirty silver color, if that makes sense. And this one is the gold, which just looks kind of silver on top here, so that's why I wanted to stir it. Yeah, there's all the gold. Oh my, that's pretty. That's not the gold I was expecting, but I'm pleasantly surprised with it. It's kind of more of a brassy gold. It's pretty. Okay, we'll let that settle. Oh yeah, that's a really cool, it reminds me of something, I don't know what. Kind of brassy though, right? All right, get that cleaned off. And I'm gonna grab a little brush out, and we've got Poppy here to help us out. She is, oh, there she is. She's way too close. Hey Poppy, there we go. We're just going to like maybe draw a couple little lines. This color that she is wearing currently is the Bliss from the Say Yes to the Nude collection, I believe. Or no, I'm sorry, Into the Nude collection. This is that 3-piece bridal collection. Gorgeous kind of peachy color. So that's 2 coats of that on a clear tip. And I'm going to get one of my favorite Madam Glam brushes out here. This is the striping brush. It's a little bit thicker. And the petal brush is also one of my favorites. I might make some flowers with it. We're gonna use rose chrome, and just gonna dip my brush in, get a decent sized little bead on there, and I'm just going to draw some swirls. And I don't want it to be too thick, so. So that is really pretty. So you see what I'm talking about here. Maybe I can zoom for you. Where it's not quite mirrored, just let it sit for a couple of minutes and let that effect come back and then cure it. So we're just going to let that sit and go on to the next nail. I'm going to use vintage, or I'm going to mess up my swirls. And I'm gonna grab my petal brush from Madam Glam. I love this brush so much. It makes gorgeous little flowers. And I'm gonna clean it out as well, make sure I don't have anything crazy in it. Oh, I love this little brush so much. Okay, let's see. Okay, the chrome is already starting to take effect. You can see it, how shiny it gets. So you definitely just want to give it a couple minutes and it will do its thing. All right, let me see if I can get that one out of the way. Okay. And we're just going to make, oh no. Oh no, I stuck my finger in it. I'm having a catastrophe here, you guys. So my rose chrome nail fell off. No, Poppy! You let me down, girlfriend. I don't have the right tips in her, so that's why. They're way, way, way too short for this practice hand, so. Okay, now I have chrome all over me. All right, let's try again. It's real life, people, real life. Okay, like I was saying, I'm just gonna draw some little petals and make like a little flower. Am I even in frame anymore? I don't know what's happening. What a pretty little flower. And then another little flower. Sure, why not? Kind of looks like a star now. Anyways, we'll make some little dots. Just playing with it. Okay, and now for the gold color. Maybe I'll just draw a gold French. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. That gold is really pretty. I wasn't sure if I was going to like that, but I really do. So there's the, what is that one called? Vintage chrome. There is the gold chrome, and down here on the ground is the rose chrome. I cannot seem to keep hold of it, and it's making a mess everywhere. There we go. Ta-da! I think I like that one the best. It's really pretty. It's not super, like I said, it's not super rose gold. It's got that beautiful metallic finish to it. Oh, it's so pretty. And here is the silver. So let me get Poppy out of the way here before I knock another nail out of her. Here is the vintage one and the silver. So this is like super chrome, and then gold compared to it, the rose one. So you can see the color differences there. So that is the new chrome lineup that we have now from Madam Glam. So now we have 4 beautiful shades. Those are available for purchase today. So the link is in the description box if you want to go check them out. You can use my discount code Ginger 10, I believe. I don't even remember what the code is. It's in there. It's in the description box, you guys. Sorry, it's been a day. And yeah, if you want to sign up for the VIP, you can save 50%. So the VIP program is amazing. And if you're looking to pick up quite a few things, that is the way to go. 50%, you can't beat that. And if you stay with the VIP program, it deducts, I believe, $29 out of your account every month, and it puts it into like a store credit account. You can save those up, let them accumulate, and then in like 2 or 3 months, go wild and just buy a whole bunch of stuff and get a big haul, which is also fun. Or if you just need one thing, like you're out of a top coat, you can just buy that top coat, and there's no shipping for the VIPs. So VIPs also get sneak peeks into upcoming collections. They also get an early access email, so you can shop the collection before it actually launches, which is great because some collections sell out super, super fast. And I know how disappointing that is when you don't get the colors that you want. So all in all, the VIP is a great program, so go check it out. All right, guys, that is everything for this video. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these gorgeous chromes. I cannot wait to play with these on my clients. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.